The next phase of Oxfordshire's drive to claim its place as the UK's leading centre for science and innovation has been officially opened. Known as Oxford North, it's a £1.2 billion science and innovation district focusing on developing technology, including AI, life sciences and quantum computing.
Well, the University Chancellor, Lord Hague, cut the ribbon on the first buildings at what developers say has already created 2,000 construction jobs. Well, Wesley Smith has been on a tour.
As Chancellor of the University of Oxford, I declare Oxford North officially open. There we go.
You could say they're painting the town red as Lord Hague opened Oxford North. Its striking architecture can be seen from the busy A34 and A40 routes into the city. Maybe not one of the so-called dreaming spires, but certainly a place the developers hope will make dreams come true for scientists and innovators who they hope will call this home.
What we have today is 3 buildings. It's phase 1. It's 160,000 square feet of lab and office accommodation that have been delivered here as part of a wider master plan, which would be up to 1 million square feet.
Oxford North has come about through collaboration. The university colleges are on Oxford North's doorstep, and St John's College has joined with international investors to make it happen.
We've got some brilliant people. We need the environment for them to build the new companies, to follow them on, to grow them on, and to bring people in as well. So you need people, you need a place, and we've got them both here today.
They're in good company across the county. Harwell is just down the road. The Oxford Science Park is growing, and construction of the new Ellison Institute of Technology is well underway in Littlemore, promising to help solve what they call some of humanity's most enduring challenges. Oxford North alone has brought 2,000 construction jobs.
As the community comes alive, it can be a home for 4,500 people in terms of the commercial spaces. In addition to that, we've got 480 homes, and those homes will provide another 1,000 residents. So we're creating a new community that will support 5,500 people.
So what did the guest of honour think of what he saw?
Exciting. It's a really exciting opportunity for the area, for the university, for thousands of people who hopefully are going to work here, and many, many hundreds of people who will live here. I think a big vote of confidence from the Chancellor of the university.
A lot of people comment on the redness of the building.
I am red colourblind, so red doesn't stand out to me, and I don't know whether that's an advantage or a disadvantage.
They were keen that Oxford North should be about people. There's a sustainable children's play area, extensive parkland and world-class sculpture known as your planetary assembly. It's said to be inspired by models of the solar system.
So there's clearly more work to be done, but perhaps the sculptures suggest that the planets are now aligned for Oxford North and the other scientific institutions in the county to lead the way in innovation for the years ahead. Wesley Smith, ITV News, Oxford.